इंडिया वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड क्या लग रहा है?
It's going to be a 50-50. You know why? Because the two best sides in the tournament are in the final.
What will be your suggestion to Rohit Sharma if India wins it?
Proved yourself. आपने पहले बैटिंग की, आप जीत गए. आपने चेस भी किया, तब भी आप जीत गए हो. So for you on that given day, I think the choice will only be कि उस दिन पर आपको क्या फील हो रहा है, what's going to be the situation, विकेट कैसी बनी होगी, etc. Women's IPL, there's a lot of popularity. Of course, Mumbai Indians को बहुत सारे लोग जो है पसंद करते हैं. Moreover,
She's also from Mumbai.
I'm also from Mumbai, but I'm an RCB fan.
Just talk through your experience as a cricketer then as a broadcaster. How's this journey so far? So we are building up for the mega final between India and New Zealand in this ICC Champions Trophy, and today the Indian team is, of course, they are practicing here at the ICC Cricket Academy. So on the sidelines of a practice session, we have met with Charvi. So let me introduce her first. She is now a broadcaster. She is our colleague right now, but she has captained UAE for 8 years, if I'm not wrong.
8 years.
8 years, and she has been an integral part of UAE cricket for many years. So we'll talk about the game, of course, but let's talk about the impact of this Indian team. Because यहाँ पर आप कह रहे थे कि यहाँ पर आपको इंडियन टीम को देखने का मौका नहीं मिलता. The kind of practice they are having. तो how पहले ये बताइए कि इंडियन टीम का जो यहाँ पर आना, ये how impactful for the growth of cricket in among the locals over
I
here?
think not only the Indian team, but any full member nation that comes here to the UAE, वो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. It's always an occasion. Crowd will always come in to see their favorite players. So it's always a wonderful occasion to have such teams that are coming in. It's always an exposure because you get to see the players, you get to watch them play live. Otherwise, we're watching most of the matches, on the TV screen. So it's always that great opportunity to have them around.
Yeah, I have seen the craze over here. Team bus, when the team bus was arriving, it was hard for us. Also, it was difficult to stand at one point. India, for Indian team, I think what I have noticed over here, for Indian team, it's a home away from home. It doesn't feel like an away game. Doesn't feel like a neutral venue.
No.
Though the players won't accept that. But
आपने देखा होगा ग्राउंड पे भी it's like a spectators भर के आते सारे. There are so many Indians in the UAE that it is a home away from home.
Yes. Charvi, I'd like to talk about the way UAE cricket is going. Of course, Indian team, they have played here. We have had multiple seasons of Indian Premier League over here. So, इससे क्या कुछ फायदा होता है UAE क्रिकेट को, यंगस्टर्स जो they want to take this game as a professional?
डेफिनेटली बहुत फ़ायदा होता है इसका. एंड इनफैक्ट मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहूँगी कि विमेंस वर्ल्ड कप के जो मैचेस यहाँ पर होते हैं यूएई में, there was such a big impact. I remember the India-Australia fixture that was being played at the Sharjah Cricket Stadium. It was house full. It was jam-packed and it was so amazing to see that the crowd had come to watch a women's game. When I was playing for the UAE, ये बहुत कम हमें बहुत मुश्किल से ये सारी चीज़ें देखने को मिली थी. So there has been growth. After the Women's World Cup, I know there was a buzz around. There were a lot of youngsters, a lot of parents suddenly got interested. No, I want my daughter to come and play, get an opportunity, let her get started off and all of those. So that impact that is there, the growth in the grassroots, that you can't take away from it.
Also, the facilities have improved because we have seen this world-class facility in the ICC Cricket Academy. I know that many foreign teams, when they travel the subcontinent, they train over here for 7-8 days because they get the world-class facilities over here. So I think इसका भी benefit मिलता है.
Oh yes, of course. We've got some great facilities, but not only in Dubai. If you go to Abu Dhabi, you go to Sharjah, the facilities are really good that have been provided. Of course, they come to the ICC Academy also because you've got the options of the different soils
kind of soils
that are available over here at ICC, and they make it happen. They maintain it and they make that happen. So that's the biggest benefit of it.
India versus New Zealand क्या लग रहा है?
Honestly बताओ, सब लोग ये सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, बहुत सारे दोस्त भी ये सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, but I think it's going to be a 50-50. You know why? Because the two best sides in the tournament are in the final. And when that happens, you know that it's going to be a match which is going to be really tight. We're going to get to see some good quality and very, very good cricket.
Obviously, you are commentating in the tournament, so you have seen the different kind of pitches at the Dubai International Stadium. Do you think the toss will matter? Because I don't know any. I have not seen enough any kind of. But किसी मैच में जैसे बांग्लादेश वाले मैच में हमने देखा कि बॉल थोड़ा सा फंस के आ रहा था. पाकिस्तान वाले मैच में I thought कि ball was coming on to the bat better. Even in the Australia game also I think the ball was coming onto the bit better under lights.
So this time in the year is it's extremely unpredictable weather in the UAE.
Okay.
By unpredictable weather, I mean that because we're transitioning from extremely winter, cold months into hot months. So one day it is chilly, it's cold. दूसरे दिन बारिश हो जाती है, तीसरे दिन धूप निकल के इतनी गर्मी हो जाती है कि
जैसे आज था.
Today was warm. I think a few days ago, if you would realize, I think पाकिस्तान वाला मैच था. It was quite chilly.
Yeah.
काफी ठंड थी उस दिन.
Yeah. Even the New Zealand game also.
New Zealand game also, it was quite chilly. There was a cold breeze that was blowing through and everything. So that makes a big difference. तो वो जो एक unpredictable weather हो जाता है उस दिन को Sunday को what is going to be the weather like? It's going to be slightly more as per the weather predictions. थोड़ा सा it's going to be on a cooler side. And
So
there's
will no dew.
may or may not be. So if there is breeze that's blowing, तो dew नहीं आएगा. But अगर breeze नहीं है and we don't have any wind that's blowing across, then there will be a little bit of dew because there is a little bit of moisture in the air. अभी भी थोड़ा सा है.
So what will be your suggestion to Rohit Sharma if India wins the toss?
पर मुझे ऐसा लगेगा go with your heart. इस मुकाम पे अगर आप पहले you've proved yourself. आपने पहले बैटिंग की, आप जीत गए. आपने चेस भी किया, तब भी आप जीत गए हो. So for you on that given day, I think the choice will only be कि उस दिन पर आपको क्या फील हो रहा है, what's going to be the situation, विकेट कैसी बनी होगी, etc. I just feel that the Indian team will have a better chance if they bat first, put up a total on board और आके आप फिर करवाएं न्यूजीलैंड से चेस.
I think my gut feeling is that toss अगर न्यूजीलैंड जीती है, they will definitely bat.
Oh, 100%
They want
bat.
to put India under scoreboard pressure.
They would want to score more than 270, 300 बनाओ and फिर let them chase. That's good.
300 if they reach 300, which looks difficult on that pitch against 4 Indian spinners, is it not chaseable?
Anything over 270 is a challenge.
Anything over 270 will be a
270 then it starts to become a little tricky.
Okay.
It starts to become a little tricky, but again, dew आ जाएगा तो benefit Team India. They're chasing.
So देखिए, I think she is the best person to narrate the conditions over here क्योंकि इस क्रिकेट पे उन्होंने काफ़ी क्रिकेट खेले हैं. इसे ऐसे कंडीशन में यूएई में इन्हें 14 साल आपने खेला है क्रिकेट.
14 years.
14 years. Now she is commentating. I think she is the best person to analyze these conditions over here. I think one more thing which will benefit probably with the Indian team and other teams coming to UAE is that a lot of youngsters will get inspiration. Like you can see a lot of kids are here. They are get to see their role models in front of us. थोड़ा क्रिकेट के लिए भी यहाँ पर एक ग्रोथ के लिए एक पोटेंशियल बनता है.
ऑफ कोर्स पोटेंशियल बनता है एंड सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ जो अच्छी है जो देखने को ये मिलती है कि पेरेंट्स जो है वो सडनली इंटरेस्टेड हो जाती है. नहीं, मैं आई वांट टू सेंड माय डॉटर, आई वांट टू सेंड माय सन टू प्ले क्रिकेट की ये है. आई हैव सीन सो मेनी पेरेंट्स जिनका बेटा क्रिकेट कोचिंग में जाता था, बेटी नहीं जाती थी, लेकिन ये सारी चीज़ें होने के बाद बेटी भी जा रही है कोचिंग में. सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड एंड अ वेरी पॉजिटिव साइन.
How's the UAE women's doing? I know that at the age group level there's a very good team. At the senior level also they are competing with the big teams. So what's the future of UAE women's?
Oh no, they have a very bright future. I think we've got a very good talent pool, very talented youngsters. The under 19 also, there's a very very good team that goes forward in the tournaments, and hopefully very soon we'll see them playing the World Cup.
Hopefully. And let me tell you, Charvi is the only female voice in cricket in the entire Middle East.
Yes.
So कैसा लग रहा है, मतलब to be the only? I know it's kind of positive or negative also, but just talk through your experience as a broadcaster, first as a cricketer, then as a broadcaster. How's this journey so far?
सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलता है. Of course, you get to learn a lot when you're a broadcaster because you now see the game in a very different light.
Yeah.
As a player, you see the game in a very different way. As a broadcaster, especially when you're narrating the game to somebody, you're watching it in a very different light. Being the only one is a good thing and a bad thing.
Yeah.
The good thing being कि एक challenge बन जाता है कि नहीं यार, ये यहाँ तक आप पहुँचे हो ना, ये बस नहीं है, which means tomorrow you have to work 200% more harder so you grow forward. But I hope that this only grows with women's cricket growing, and we'll have more like me who would want to get into this line.
And when we are talking off camera, Charvi ने मुझे बताया she has learnt her cricket only through watching or
Only
YouTube
through watching.
videos or
टीवी पे जो क्रिकेट आती थी वो देख के मैंने सीखा है. I have not had formal training.
No formal training whatsoever.
Not from grass. मैंने खेलना शुरू किया, उसके बाद I went into formal training.
But you hope now for the youngsters like them, there are facilities to go,
Yes.
for formal trainings, and they have very good platform.
Yes, very good platform. Lot of academies, lot of centers, lot of high performance centers that are there. So if there is a talent, they are recognized and they are sent into that channel right away. So start them young.
Last question: how's the popularity over here in IPL, women's IPL, and which team you support?
Women's IPL, there's a lot of popularity. Of course, Mumbai Indians को बहुत सारे लोग जो है पसंद करते हैं. Moreover,
She's also from Mumbai.
I'm also from Mumbai, but I'm an RCB fan.
Oh.
Smriti Mandhana is my favorite player. I really enjoy watching her play. And जब RCB ने last year कप जीता था, RCB became very popular. तो women's cricket भी यहाँ पर लोग देखते हैं और चाहते भी हैं और भी देखें.
तो आप चाहते हैं कि एक सीजन वुमेन्स आईपीएल का यूएई में भी हो?
100%. WPL should come to the UAE. We should have a season here so that जो हमारी छोटी छोटी बच्चियाँ हैं जो who want to play cricket, who want to get into cricket, तो they get an opportunity to see their ideals also.
So that was, of course, the one and only Charvi Bhatt. Thank you, Charvi, for talking with Racecourse Cricket, and she will be there. She will be covering of course, the Champions Trophy final
Yes.
between India and New Zealand. So keep following our coverage from Ground Zero. We'll bring all the live updates and everything related to the final on this platform. With Charvi, this is Sandeepan Banerjee reporting from the ICC Cricket Academy here in Dubai.